I'm Sergeant Major Meyer with the Junior ROTC program here at Houghton High School. And on November 11th at 11 o'clock, we'll be having our annual Veterans Day program for the community. It's put on by the Junior ROTC. Every cadet in the program has a part in the program, whether it's speaking or any of the other things that are going on during the program. We got a guest speaker. Guest speaker this year is the Chief of Police, Chief Donnelly, and it should be a good program. Hopefully everybody can be out there and watch it.
Why should you do an exchange?
I think it's an awesome opportunity for high school students to expand their horizons, learn a new culture, become fluent in another language while getting an educational exchange with the support of Rotary youth volunteers all across the world.
Why does Rotary choose to help youth do exchanges?
Rotary is very involved in youth exchange because they really believe that this is a way to bring peace and unity across the world and bridge cultural divides and help foster world peace.
I see. How is it different than other exchange programs?
Rotary is different from other exchange programs because, first of all, it's completely run by volunteers. So no Rotarians who participate with Rotary Youth Exchange get paid. We do it just because we love the program. And we really believe in having our students live with 3 different host families while they're abroad. And these host families also volunteer to do this. They're also not getting paid to host our students. They do it because they love the program as well. But then you get to have 3 different experiences of different families living within your new culture.
Do they always live with 3 different families?
Not all the time, but that's what we try for. Some students might live with 1 or 2, others might live with maybe 4. So 3 is about average, but that gives you different, unique experiences within that same community.
What advice would you give to people who are thinking about becoming a foreign exchange student?
I would say go for it, take a risk. It helps you learn and become so much more mature, so much more independent. Brings you friends from all over the world and really opens your eyes to completely new ideas for what you might do in your future.
All right, thank you for your time.
Thank you.
We are nearing close to the end of our first quarter of the school year, and I just want to give a little bit of a reminder about attendance. So in the second semester, we do have an exam reward that's tied to strong attendance. And in case you forgot what the criteria are for that, you want a total of 50 or fewer absences in all of your classes in semester 2, and 5 or fewer total tardies in semester 2. And while semester 2 might seem like a far way off from here, it's really, really hard to start developing new habits in the middle of the school year. Focusing on solid attendance in the first half of the school year will make it much easier to attain the goal of being exempt from having to take your exams in the second half of the school year. So if you are struggling to come to school for any sort of reason, like you don't want to be here, you have problems with getting a ride here, or you're behind in your homework, stop by the office. We have lots of people in the building who can help you with those things, and we'd be more than happy to help find a way to get you at school, completing your homework and passing all of your classes. We really want you to be here.